Hello, this is Amanda Ron, and today we are going to be looking at Audacity. This is a very useful tool for students and for teachers. This allows you to look at multiple audio files and to combine them if needed, or to sparse out certain parts of the audio to make things louder. There are a lot of ways to use this, so we're going to look first at how to use it. Right here is the recording button. I'm going to click that real quick. And you can see that as I'm speaking, it continues to record. Now when you want to stop recording, you're just going to click this button right here. Now what we're seeing here is it looks like I am being loud enough, which is fantastic. I have had problems of background noise getting placed in the audio, so let's see if that has happened again. Great, so that is the entire audio file. There's definitely some background noise that we can try to clear out. However, I only want to spend a few minutes showing you some elements. So what I'm going to do is move right along. You can explore how to make the audio clearer on your own if you would like. We have recording volume all the way up, which is really good for quiet speakers. If you're a very loud speaker, you might actually want it down a little bit. That's fine. And then over here we have the playback volume. So this is how loud the recording is coming through. So if someone should have had it down to 0.5 but didn't, then you can lower it to a more reasonable volume. And let's look at saving it. Now the problem with this technology is that if you save a project as, what you're going to get is a little warning that says that this is for an Audacity project only. What that means is that if you save this audio file as an Audacity project, you cannot download it in any other apps, on YouTube, nowhere. It's only for Audacity. The way to fix this problem is that you want to export the audio. The reason why I am doing a screencast instead of just doing a short audio is that unfortunately I am unable to export. That's a completely different issue that you will potentially have to look at on your own, but I'm going to really quickly show you what happens. We try to save it. Now we just click OK. You don't need any of those, not for this. Click OK. So the problem is that we might need some sort of software on our computer that allows this file to be downloaded as an audio. I don't have that, so I'm using a screencast. But the point is that this is very useful. I'm going to record just one more so that you can see them side by side. So we see that we are having two audio files. I'm actually not sure while they're both playing, so I'm going to quit that now. That was very confusing. I would have to look at that further to see why they played at the same time. But the point is that you can have multiple files and you can play around with what audio you want to include or exclude. So I'm going to quit the screencast now. Please use this technology if you're working with English speakers. It can be very useful for the instructors and for the students. Have a great day.